Hello, PTE learners. Welcome to this quick 60 to 90-second PTE spoken text practice lecture. Today, you'll listen to a short lecture on a high-frequency 2025 topic. Your task is to focus, take notes, and identify the main idea, 2 supporting points, and 1 example. After listening, pause the video and write your summary in 50 to 70 words. This will help you improve your listening, note-taking, and summarizing skills, all crucial for the PTE exam. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more PTE tips. Note-taking is an essential skill for effective learning and professional success. It helps listeners stay focused, organize information, and remember key details during lectures or meetings. Good notes allow people to review and revise concepts efficiently. There are different methods, such as the outline, Cornell, and mapping styles, depending on personal preference. In exams like PTE or academic settings, note-taking improves comprehension and helps summarize information accurately. Practicing this skill regularly builds concentration, structure, and better understanding of complex topics. Marine life plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of our planet's ecosystem. Oceans cover more than 70% of the Earth and are home to millions of species that produce oxygen, absorb carbon dioxide, and regulate the climate. However, pollution, overfishing, and climate change are seriously threatening these habitats. Coral reefs are dying, and many species are becoming endangered. Protecting marine life through conservation efforts, reduced plastic use, and sustainable fishing is essential to preserve biodiversity and ensure a healthy planet for future generations. Forest fires are a major environmental concern affecting wildlife, vegetation, and human life. There are 2 main causes of forest fires: natural and human-made. Natural causes include lightning strikes and extremely dry weather, which make trees and leaves highly flammable. Human activities like unattended campfires, discarded cigarettes, and intentional burning are also major contributors. Forest fires release carbon dioxide, destroy habitats, and reduce air quality. To prevent them, people must follow safety rules, avoid burning waste in dry areas, and support afforestation programs to restore damaged forests. Time management is one of the most valuable skills for success in both personal and professional life. It helps individuals prioritize tasks, reduce stress, and achieve goals efficiently. People who manage time well are usually more productive and experience a better work-life balance. Poor time management, on the other hand, leads to missed deadlines and frustration. To improve this skill, one should plan daily schedules, set realistic goals, and avoid distractions like social media. Using planners or digital calendars can also make a big difference in staying organized and focused. A hygienic vicinity is essential for maintaining good health and overall well-being. Clean surroundings help prevent the spread of diseases caused by bacteria, viruses, and insects. Communities that ensure proper waste disposal, clean water, and regular sanitation enjoy a better quality of life. On the other hand, unhygienic areas can lead to infections, pollution, and poor mental health. Every individual must take responsibility by keeping their homes and public spaces clean. Small actions like throwing waste properly, avoiding plastic litter, and maintaining personal hygiene contribute to a healthier environment for everyone. Great job listening. Now check your summary against the sample answers shown on the screen. Compare your main idea, supporting points, and conclusion. Did you use correct grammar and complete sentences? If not, try again until you can write a clear 50 to 70-word summary. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon for more PTE prediction lectures and exam tips every week.